This is the Projectile Motion Calculator, which solves for the range, maximum height, and time of flight of a projectile launched at an angle. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric, which uses meters per second, meters, and degrees, or imperial, which uses feet per second, feet, and degrees. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Next, enter your launch velocity. This is the initial speed of your projectile. Then input the launch angle in degrees. This is the angle above horizontal at which you're launching. Finally, enter the initial height, the starting elevation of your projectile above ground level. Let me show you a worked example. I'll enter a launch velocity of 10 meters per second, a launch angle of 10 degrees, and an initial height of 10 meters. After clicking Calculate Projectile Motion, we get 3 results. Range equals 15.91 meters. That's the horizontal distance traveled. Maximum height equals 10.15 meters. The peak altitude reached above ground. Time of flight equals 1.62 seconds. The total time the projectile stays airborne. This calculator streamlines your projectile analysis calculations. Find the link in the description below.